Hi cuties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing so well. So I have a bunch of glitter that's basically just thrown in and very disorganized into this little bin and this drawer that I have, and it desperately needs to be organized because I don't even know what glitter I have at this point. It's just so messy. And I recently bought a bunch of different little organizers to organize them into, and I figured I'd do that with you guys so that you could see the extent of my glitter collection and just chill out to some nice lo-fi music while I organize my glitter. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna start with all of the baggies that are in this container. There's like some like this that come in these little packages that I got from like Michael's and other craft stores. And then there's some like this bag, which is like a mix of glitters from Temu. And I'm gonna put each one of these in one of these little containers. I already put some glitter in here from Michael's, so I'm just gonna transfer everything from here into these little round containers. That's a lot of glitter. Look at all of this beautiful glitter. Okay, so I just finished putting the glitter in this first organizer. So this first organizer is completely full now. But I actually still have a few glitters that need to be organized in some way, shape, or form into little containers. And thankfully, whenever I go to Ross and I happen to see one of these for $5, dude, only $5. I swear at like Michael's, they sell these for like $15. Keep an eye out at your local Ross. And I've had another one sitting waiting for this very moment, so I'm going to open it up and just finish putting the rest of these glitters into this container. So now all of the glitters that were in the bags before are now in either one of these organizers, and it looks so much neater. So I'm just gonna put those to the side for now. And now it's time to get into the drawer, which is too big to even fit in frame. There's a lot of glitter in here. So I'm just gonna take things out one by one and decide what to do with them. First of all, I have this set of glitters that is from Amazon. I don't remember how many came in here, but there's a lot of little glitter cylinders in here, and I'm gonna decide to just keep these in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dump them all out, and I'm going to like re-put them in here and try to put them in some sort of like rainbow order. And I'm also gonna put them upside down so I can actually see them. Oh, they look so nice like this. Look at the organization. I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna close this up. And there are some missing because I already used those ones for like custom acrylics and such. And I'm gonna put this to the side. I don't really know what to do with these at the moment, so I'm just gonna leave them like this. I'm basically gonna try to just get everything out of here so that I can put everything back in here, but like organized. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take everything out. It's actually so nice seeing like all the different glitters that I have like out in the table in one space. But now we've got to put them back in this drawer. So I'm gonna try to put them in here in a way that I can see all of the glitters that I have. That way when I just like open it up, I can see all the colors. Alright, so I've put all of the glitters that are in their own boxes or containers that are like a bit bigger in this half of the drawer. And now I'm going to turn it around. And in this second half of the drawer, I'm actually going to put this other little bin that I have. And I'm going to squeeze it in there so that it can kind of divide the smaller glitter containers from the larger ones. So in this one, I'm gonna just put in all of the smaller organizers or the little glitters that are just really tiny pods of glitter. Perfect. That is so much better than it was before. Oh my goodness. I can actually see all of my glitters, and now I feel like it'll be a lot easier for me to actually choose glitters when I want to use glitter in either my custom acrylic or my nails, whatever. And it's just so much nicer to look at. Oh. So actually in that drawer, there were also a couple more bags that I had missed the first time. So I'm going to take this organizer back out and we're just going to put them in here. And I actually forgot to put this little like container of all of these different little tiny ones in here somewhere. So I'm gonna just try to, ooh, I don't know, where do I put this? Perfect. Anyway, you guys, that is going to be it for me today. I know this was probably a super short video, but I hope that you enjoyed it. It was kind of just like a little extra. I figured I'd film it just for you guys who would want to watch and are curious about which glitters I have. Maybe this will encourage you to organize your own nail supplies or glitters. I'm really looking forward to hopefully doing a gel polish organization video soon, because God knows that my gel polishes need to be organized. Anyway, cuties, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Definitely like and subscribe because it helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate you guys. I hope that you're having the most beautiful, amazing day and season. Happy New Year, cutie. I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.